Hello students, in last discussion we discussed about polynomial, rational expression, polynomial, zeros, degree of the polynomials and terms and coefficient of the polynomial. Now today we will discuss about types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. On the basis of degree, the types of polynomial. On the basis of degree, types of polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. A polynomial with degree 0 is called constant polynomial. A polynomial with degree 0 is called constant polynomial. And so, for example, fx, polynomial always denoted by fx, gx, rx, dx. So polynomial fx is equal to 2. This is constant polynomial because power of 2 is 0. So this is called constant polynomial. Gx 7. This also constant polynomial. Have you understood? A polynomial with degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Second is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, fx is equal to 4x because power of x is 1. Linear polynomial may be monomial or binomial. You already know monomial, an algebraic expression which have only one term is called monomial. Binomial, an algebraic expression which have only two terms is called binomial. So fx is equal to 4x. This is linear polynomial and fx is equal to 7x plus 8. This is monomial, this is binomial, but both are linear polynomial. Have you understood? Once again I am repeating. Linear polynomial, a polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Fx is equal to 4x, fx is equal to 7x plus 8. Both are linear polynomials. One is monomial and second is binomial. Third is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial may be monomial, binomial, and trinomial. For example, fx is equal to 4x square. This is quadratic polynomial with one term. And fx 4x square plus 4x. This is quadratic polynomial with two terms. It means binomial. And trinomial, fx is equal to 4x square plus 7x plus 8. 4x square plus 7x plus 8. This is also quadratic with three terms. It means trinomial. Next is cubic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial may be monomial, binomial, trinomial, or biquadrinomial. For example, fx is equal to x cube. This is cubic polynomial with one term. It means monomial. Second, fx is equal to x cube plus 4x square. This also cubic polynomial with two terms. It means binomial. Fx is equal to x cube plus 7x square plus 8x. This also cubic polynomial with three terms. It means trinomial. Fourth is biquadrinomial. A polynomial with degree 4 is called biquadrinomial. A polynomial with degree 4 is called biquadrinomial. Biquadrinomial may be linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadrinomial, or with power 5. With terms 5. For example, fx is equal to 4x raised to the power 4. This is biquadrinomial with one term. It means monomial. fx is equal to 7x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube. This is biquadrinomial with two terms. It means binomial. fx is equal to 8x raised to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus 2x square. This also biquadrinomial with three terms. It means trinomial. Next is fx is equal to 7x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube minus 3x square plus 7x. This also bipolynomial with 4 terms. Next, fx is equal to 7x raised to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 9. This also bipolynomial with 5 terms. So these are the types of the polynomial on the basis of degree. Now some examples for polynomials which I explained. I will ask to you and you have to do practice yourself and you will identify this is a linear polynomial, this is a constant polynomial, this is a cubic polynomial, this is bipolynomial. Some examples I will give to you. fx is equal to 3. Tell me which type of polynomial is this? So this is constant polynomial because power of 3 is 0. So this is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. This is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. fx is equal to 4x square plus 7x. This is quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial with degree 2. With degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The highest power of the polynomial is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial. 7x plus 8. This is linear polynomial because power of x is 1. A polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. So this is linear polynomial with 2 terms. fx 7x cube plus 8x square plus 9. This is cubic polynomial with 3 terms. The highest power of the polynomial is 3, so this is cubic polynomial. fx is equal to 7x raised to the power 4 minus 5x raised to the power 3 plus 8x square minus 8. So this is biquadratic with 4 terms. The highest power of the polynomial is 4. So this is biquadratic. Now some examples of the next one more point I would like to explain here. Rational expression. Just I told you types of the polynomial. Now one more question you have to keep in your mind. Rational expression. What is rational expression? Rational expression. Rational expression. The form of rational expression is Px by Qx. Px by Qx. Just I told to you how you denote the polynomials. Px stands for polynomial and Qx also polynomial. If any expression is in this form Px by Qx, that is called rational expression. So Px by Qx, we have Px and Qx are polynomial. All the polynomials can be rational expression, but this is not necessary. All the rational expression will be polynomial. For example, four x square is polynomial and it is